What's up, guys? Today I'll be installing the 379 headlights. So basically very simple. Just gotta unbolt the old ones, cut some zip ties. Let me just show you those noise ones. So yeah, those are the 379 with the new LED and stuff. Let's see what we got here. So I'll probably just start from the driver's side. I forgot that these are annoying. These little fender guards. Shit. Let's grab these. Now this side. Just gonna have to loosen those 4 bolts to be able to remove the fender guard. Okay, let's close the hood now. And this thing looks so ugly. Sheesh. It looks different. So now I need to clean up this grill a little bit, because yeah, it's dirty and never been polished on this side. So let me put one of the buckets first and see how it looks, and we'll go from there. Just gonna use the 3D printed plastic one just to mock it up. See what it feels like. Fender's cracked over here. I just noticed that thing. But yeah, on the first try, as you can see, got issue here. You can see the hole a little bit. So what I need to do is probably raise it up and drill a hole over there where the rivet is. See? Yeah. That would be a pain in the ass. Okay, I ran into a little issue. Let me show you what's up. So I put the bucket. Okay, so I put the bucket here, right? And So the little rivet. It's got a little, space between the grill. So option number one would be to remove the rivet. I gotta cut it, grind it, whatever, remove it. Or I actually remove the studs, one of the studs, and I can just enlarge the hole. Just make it just a little bit bigger. See, this drill, make it bigger, and that way I'm gonna avoid cutting into the grill. So I think I'm gonna do that. There's plenty of space. There's like 3 points, and then I have 2 big bolts that are gonna bolt through here, make a hole a little bit with a 1/4 inch higher. So yeah, let's see. Oh, it's one of the cars for me. Sometimes it's easier to just pay the guy go pick it up for me than you wasting my time and going. Anyway, if we decide to put this back, there's plenty of thread to put it back in. It's fine. Okay, let's see if it works now. Just a little bit more. Go a little bit higher. Alright, I'm gonna keep working it, show the final result. That's a 2-man job. Well, never mind. Those are too short. Sheesh. That's not good. Alright, so these are too short. I have to go get like at least, let's say, 3 or 4 inches longer. Yeah, I messed up. This is my first time, as you can tell. Not too bad. Just go get longer ones and put them back on. I got them shortened and cleaned up the ends a little bit. So now I can put them where they need to go. Yep, and through the hood. It's only because there's see how thick it is? Yeah, it goes like that much, So, you need to have a little room for the nut, and that's it pretty much. Here's the difference before and after. Alright, passenger side bucket is in. Now I need to make these 2 holes right here for more support, and we'll be good to go. I just don't have air, that's why the bumper is like that. When there's air in the system, because the truck is extremely dirty, that's okay. I'm gonna wash it later. So yeah, it's gonna look way better for sure. Alright, let's get it. A lot of people already asking me to make a full tutorial video. Well, this is it for now. I'm installing the LEDs now. But this one is all assembled. I just need to swap. I didn't realize that this is the low beam. This is a high beam. I would like to run the low beam on the outside and the high beam on the inside, so I'm just going to remove those now. I'll show you in a second how I mounted all the bolts and stuff. It was such a pain in the ass. Now I just need to swap the harness. Simple. Well, I didn't expect that. I've been fighting all day with this freaking wasps. Let's see, it's a low beam. Hopefully I don't mess them up this time. Okay, low beam goes on the outside. Check. High beam goes on the outside. High beam. Those lights are $200 each. There's like two trucks idling next to me, so it might be a little noisy here. Adjust them a little bit. This is it. Put the bezel, if I can find it somewhere. Okay, well now if I want to adjust them, I can just use a screwdriver in those holes and just adjust them individually. They're kind of crooked now, but I'll adjust it later. Well, it's a different look, that's for sure. That is for sure, guys. I got 2 more sets. If anyone is interested, hit me up on my Instagram right here. Send me a DM. The top prices. Alright, well, let me open the hood and I'll show you what's going on behind the scenes, I guess. Alright, so it's not the cleanest install. That's, let me just be clear, you know. Pull these wires. I gotta make the, this is pretty simple, guys. I'm not gonna show this, but green is your ground and one of these is your high and low, low and high, whatever, low beam, high beam. So yeah, like I said, you guys need longer studs, 4 inches at least. You need carriage bolts or whatever bolts you want to use, it doesn't matter, but I chose this style bolts. Basically I ran them and then I just got a cut off wheel and I just cut them because I didn't want it to be sticking out too much. So you can do that. They can be that long, that's fine. You can just cut them later, that's fine. Same on the other side. It's pretty simple, guys. Oh, never mind. It's not that simple. Those 2 bolts. Let me see if I can show you. But you gotta kind of drill, and that's how it sits. Unfortunately, it's not straight through the hole. And on that side too, my drill bit snapped, so I had to like make an even bigger hole. It was such a mess, so I didn't even touch it. But it's good for now. You just gotta take your time making those 2 holes. Start with a small one and then just work your way up, bigger and bigger and bigger. Other than that, it's pretty simple, guys. Just the 2 bolts. It was the hardest. Let me show you. Let's see. Okay, these 2, right? These 2 bolts were the hardest. But yeah, that's how it turned out. Pretty nice. I like it. Alright, time to go. I'm gonna make the harness. Oh, by the way, I was gonna see. I have old headlights. Those are super old, just the regular ones. Oh. Never mind. I'm gonna have to work something else. I'm gonna go buy new connectors. Because I can cut the old ones. There we go. And splice them in, but they're already messed up. Yeah, they're already like corroded. So I'm gonna buy new connectors. I have some at home, waterproof. It's a 3-prong, pretty simple. And this is the old harness. I'm just gonna use my tool to find out what's what, you know, turn signal, whatever. I don't need that. We're not gonna have any marker lights or turn signal on that headlight, so that's fine. We are fine.